So these are our signs. They're rough, okay? They're dark, they're dirty, but they're cut. You see all that jagged stuff right there? It's called slack or flack, whatever you want to call it. I just call it runoff. That's what I call it. You can hear the grinder in the background. So what we're doing is getting all that off. We'll do America first, because we're all mad here. And of course, you know, we don't call 911. These are all for sale. If you're interested, let us know at metalmonkeez.com. Or just hit me up in the comments and let me know. So I'm going to try to make this quick. So I'm going to do a little bit of this and then I'm going to pause it and I'll show you the next step. So grinder, eyeglasses. Must have eyeglasses. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so that's what it looks like once you're done with the back side of it. Okay, pretty clean. All the slag is off. Okay, next step, number 2. Take the other disc like this, and like so. Okay, so it should look like this. And then one more time with this. Voila.